Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookie's World Kitchen YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos. I love you all. And to my new subscribers or anyone that will come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel. There are a lot of things you're gonna learn on my YouTube channel. Please, like I said, please subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So today guys, I will be showing you guys how I prepare beans. This recipe is, oh my god, it's so yummy and so nice. Stay tuned guys and watch. Please watch all of my videos, my old videos. I love you all. Thank you. So guys, in my pressure cooker I have my washed beans. I am gonna close this, and I added a little bit of water. As you all know, pressure cooker doesn't need a lot of water to get your food cooked. In here I have my garlic, ginger, spring onions, like guys, the spring, and also here I have my onions, 2 big onions. So guys, I drained out the water from the beans and I returned it back to the pot. I don't actually like leaving the first water, so it's very brown, and I believe the beans was preserved with pesticides. So I'm adding a little bit of water to get it cooked. I just need the beans. This is the 2 big onions being chopped or sliced. In a dry pot or pan, I'll be adding a little bit of olive oil. Then I'll be adding my palm oil. I'm gonna be preheating this on a low heat for 2 minutes. And please note, you can make use of just your palm oil, or you make use of just your olive oil. But I just love combining the two. Now the oil and palm oil has been preheated, so I'll be adding my chopped onions. Give it a toast and leave this to fry for 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. So guys, I'll be adding my pepper mix. I just love this pepper mix. It has enough garlic and ginger. I just love it when my beans taste good, taste garlic and ginger, you know. Cover and let it steam on a low heat for 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes, and I'll be adding my Maggi. I'll be adding my salt. They're all together. Cover and let it steam together for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Here is a dry fish, catfish, a dried one. So I broke it into pieces and soaked it with hot water. I'll be adding it to the bean stew. And also I have another tiny fish. I'll be adding it also to the bean stew. And next is our crayfish. Combine all together by mixing it thoroughly. Cover and let it steam together for 3 minutes on a medium heat. White pepper is actually optional, but I just want it. And also I'll be adding oregano, dry leaf. Cover and let it steam together for 3 minutes on the medium heat. I'll be adding the beans gradually. Of my crusher to crush the beans a little bit. The beans is actually very soft already. The pressure cooker has made it soft, so I'm just doing this. Is actually optional. You can as well use your spoon to do this. So guys, we are done crushing my beans, and I will be leaving this on a low heat for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna be adding my chopped basil leaves and cover to steam together for 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium heat. And on the other side of my cooker, I'm gonna be frying my plantain. I actually love it when all my food are done at the same time. So the plantain is ready. Plantain and beans is ready, guys. Oh my god, this tastes so good. It's so delicious. You need to, please, I beg of you, you have to try this recipe. You need to try this recipe. You definitely love it, guys. As in, the taste of the garlic and ginger, everything came so nice. It came out so good. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. Stay tuned. Bye.